So what I want to show you guys here is that there's a lot of different ways to play the same key with the capo in different places. So the guitar will sound very different, but the actual key that we're in is the same. So in this case we're in the key of B, but I'm playing por medio. So if Jesus sings a little temple, remember that? What he just sang. So now, I'm still in B, different set of voicings for my left hand. So I'm doing. Right, so now I'm going to move up to B at the 7th fret and play por arriba, which is the solea key. And it's going to sound really different. Exactly the same notes. Now I'm going to move down to the 5th fret with my capo and play the taranta key. So as far as the singer is concerned, I'm in the same key every time, and in absolute terms I'm in the key of B every time, but the guitar sounds different depending on which set of voicings I use. Taranta ones, por arriba, or down here, por medio, or the granaina key. They're all B, Phrygian, but different sets of voicings, right? Taranta, or rather, solea and taranta is kind of the same thing here, but with the capo here. So that's one of the ways we can use the capo.